Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Dear students, you know the world problem coronavirus. School, college, madrasa are closed. This time we try online class, Facebook, online madrasa, online school and others media. I am Abul Kashem, assistant teacher, Chowk Bharne Siddiqui Alim Madrasa. I hope listen attentively. Dear students, welcome to our online class. Dear students, look at the picture. And dear students, what is about picture? And yet, a man who loves a treat. A man who loves a treat. Only one picture, and this tree, calf, man and whole picture are a man who loves a treat. Whole picture are a man who loves a treat. Dear students, today's lessons headlines. Today's lessons headlines. The man, the man who loves, L-O-V-E-S, loves, the man who loves her, the man who loves treat, T-R-E-E-S, treat. Dear students, today lessons headlines. The man who loves her treat. That means একজন মানুষ যে গাছকে ভালোবাসে, একজন মানুষ যে গাছকে প্রকৃতপক্ষে ভালোবাসে। Open your book, Unit 5 and listen 4, page number 50. Dear students, open your book, Unit 5, listen 4, page number 50. After we have studied this unit, we will be able to this listen. After we have studied the unit, we will be able to this listen. Number 1. Number 1, read, R-E-A-D, read and understand, U-N-D-E-R, understand, S-T-A-N-D, understand, text, T-E-X-T, text, though, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, though, silent reading. Silent reading, S-I-L-I-E-N-T, silent reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Number 2, meaning, M-E-A-N-I-N-G, meaning, keywords. Meaning keywords from listen. F-R-O-M, from listen. L-E-S-S-O-N, listen. Number three, listen and information. L-I-S-T, listen and information. F-O-R-I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, listen and information. Number 4, ask and answering question. Ask and answering question. A-N-S-W-E-R-I-N-G, answering questions. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N, ask and answering questions. Dear students, do you understand it? We will be able to this listen. We will be able to this listen. Do you understand it? Only one. Read and understand text though, silent reading. Number 2, meaning keywords from listen. Number 3, listen and information. Number 4, ask and answering questions. Dear student, do you understand it? And dear students, open your book, page number 50. Open your book, page number 50. A man who loves trees. A man who loves trees. একজন মানুষ যে গাছকে ভালোবাসে। At the farthest corner of Bangladesh, there is a village called Tarapur. That means বাংলাদেশের দূরবর্তী একটি স্থানে তারাপুর নামে একটি গ্রাম ছিল। In this village, there lives a man named Kartik Parmanik. ওই গ্রামে কার্তিক পরমাণিক নামে একজন মানুষ বসবাস করত। He is a hairdresser by profession, but a nature lover at heart. পেশায় সে ছিল নাপিত, কিন্তু সে প্রকৃত প্রেমিক ছিলেন। His passion is to plant saplings which grow into gigantic trees. তার প্রবল আসক্তি থেকেই গাছ রোপণ করা সে শিখেছে এবং সে মনে করেছে যে এই গাছ বিশাল বড় গাছে পরিণত হবে, বিশাল একটি বড় গাছ হয়ে উঠবে। He started planting trees when he was only 10 years old. যখন সে গাছ রোপণ শুরু করে, বৃক্ষ রোপণ শুরু করে, তখন তার বয়স মাত্র 10 বছর। He remembers what his father once told him. তার বাবা তাকে একদিন বলল, স্মরণ রেখো বাবা, my son, you can earn this blessing of God by planting trees. He has never forgotten what his father told him. তার বাবা তাকে একদিন ডেকে বলল যে বাবা তুমি গাছ রোপণ করো, এই গাছ রোপণ করলে খোদার আশীর্বাদ মিলবে। God of blessing of God, খোদার আশীর্বাদ মিলবে। He has never, at present he is 63 years old. তখন তার বয়স 63 বছর। He has planted 100 of trees in his village. সেই সময়ে তার গ্রামে গাছ লাগানো হয়েছিল 100। সেই সময় তার গ্রামে 100টির বেশি গাছ লাগানো হয়েছিল। Many of the trees are now 35 or 40 years old. সেই গাছগুলির বয়স 30 থেকে 40 বছর হয়েছে। Once there were hardly any trees in this village. কোনো এক সময়ে once there were hardly any trees in this village. কোনো এক সময়ে ওই গ্রামে কোনো প্রকার গাছপালা ছিল না। Kartik used to go to different houses for his job. কার্তিক কাজ করার জন্য বিভিন্ন বাড়িতে বাড়িতে গিয়ে কাজ করত। At times he would get tired in the scorching sun, but there were no trees under which he could sit and rest for a while. কি করে এই গ্রামের মানুষগুলি প্রখরতায় ভোগে, কার্তিক তার অনুমান থেকে কি করলো, গাছ রোপণ শুরু করলো। Thinking how people suffer in the heat, Kartik began his trees planting missions. কি করে এই গ্রামের মানুষগুলি, সেই সময়ে এই গ্রামের মানুষগুলি কিভাবে প্রখর রোদে ভোগে বা কিভাবে প্রখর রোদে পোড়ায়, তার এই চিন্তা চেতনা থেকে কার্তিক কি করলো, বৃক্ষরোপণের প্রকল্প শুরু করলো। Do you understand it, dear learners? And dear learners, this lesson is important keywords. Dear learners, important keywords. Okay. Okay, professions. P-R-O pro F-E-S-S I-O-N. Professions. Professions that means pesha. Professions that means pesha. Do I understand it, dear learners? And next keywords, dear learners? হ্যাঁ, sapling. S-A-P-L-I-N-G. Sapling. Sapling that means চারা গাছ. Sapling that means চারা গাছ. And next keywords, dear learners? হ্যাঁ, patience. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. Patience. Patience that means ashokti. Ashokti. And next keywords, dear learners? Mission. M-I-S-S-I-O-N. Mission. মানে প্রকল্প। প্রকল্প, মিশন মানে প্রকল্প অথবা লক্ষ্য। প্রকল্প অথবা লক্ষ্য। Dear learners, this lesson is important keywords. This lesson is important keywords. Professions মানে পেশা, sapling that means চারা গাছ, patience that means আসক্তি, missions that means প্রকল্প, and লক্ষ্য. Do I understand it, dear learners? Keywords. Dear learners, Look at the blackboard. Write true or false. If false, give the correct answer. Write true or false. If false, give the correct answer. There is a village. Village called 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 Baniapara. Bania Baniapara. Para. Dear learners, this questions, there is a village called Baniapara. True or false? True or false? And yes, false. And yes, false. Right answer? And yes, there is a village, village called Tarapur. Tarapur. Pur. Right answer, there is a village. Right answer, there is a village called Tarapur. And next question, dear learners. There lives, lives, lives a man, man. There lives a man named, named. There lives a man named Kamrul. 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 Dear learners, right, true or false? And yes, this sentence is false. There lives a man named Kamrul. The sentence is false. And this right answer, F-A-L-S-E, false. Correct answer, C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct answer. A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. There lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives a man named, N-A-M-E-D, named Kartik Parmani. K-A-R-T-I-K, Kartik Parmani. P-O-R-M-A-N-I-K, Kartik Parmani. Do you understand it, dear learner? Dear learners, and next, homework. H-O-M-E, homework. W-O-R-K, homework. Number 1 questions. Who is Kartik Parmani? K-A-R-T-I-K, Kartik Parmani. P-O-R-A-M-A-N-I-K, P-O-R-A-M-A-N-I-K, Kartik Parmani. Number 2 questions. Why did the The plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant, trees, T-R-E-S-S, trees. Dear students, whole class, do you understand it? Okay, thanks. Dear students, this class is finished. I hope all the students are fine. Stay at home and read attentively. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.